Hello, this is my screencast for my Google Doc, which is in my Drive. I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. Here's my Google Doc. I found this a little challenging because I use a ton of technology in my classroom. I'm even part of the tech team for my school. So I didn't have a lot of websites or apps that I necessarily wanted to try or haven't tried yet, but I did think of two. So I thought of Seesaw and Classroom Orchestrator. Seesaw is an app that lets kids make a portfolio of their work, and then Classroom Orchestrator monitors the screens of students. As you can see, it looks like Amy and Stephanie have commented on this Google Doc. Amy talked about how she'd never heard of Seesaw, but she might be a pioneer for using that in her class or her school. And then Stephanie talked about how this would be a great device or app for her at her school because a lot of students bring their devices from home, so their I guess security is a little bit different than what I would have at my school. So then you can see I even commented back to Stephanie later on after I saw her comment and told her how I actually did end up trying out this app today in my school, and it's something that worked, and she should definitely look into it if she wanted to monitor her students. I love using Google Docs. I use this all the time. So yeah, that's my screencast about Google Docs.